In a Texas courtroom today, two separate defendants walk in facing serious felony charges, one accused of sexual assault, the other charged with aggravated assault involving a deadly weapon. Both are about to enter guilty pleas and give up their right to trial.
They are all. Yes. Good morning. Are you Marco Gomez?
Yes.
And Mr. Rojas, will your client wait for the formal reading of the indictment?
He will, Your Honor.
Give me this. Mr. Gomez, in clause number 21-36534, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of sexual assault from March 26th of 2020. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
12 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. The agreement also permanently restricts his rights, including firearm possession and mandatory sex offender registration.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Is anyone making you plead guilty? Is anyone forcing
No.
you to plead guilty?
No.
Okay. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Okay. I need you to answer loudly and clearly. If so, you have some hesitation, and if you don't want to enter a plea of guilty, then you're the number one trial. So it's up to you. But you're under oath, and I've asked you, how do you plead? And so I want you to tell me again, do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Okay. I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes.
Did he fully explain them to you?
Yeah.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? So you can't change your mind if I follow the agreement. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes.
Also, I have received the admonishment regarding sex offender registration requirements, and you've gone over that with Mr. Rojas, and understand that as a result of this plea, you will be required to register as a sex offender, correct?
Correct.
Right. State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Gomez is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of sexual assault. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 12 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive.
Moments later, the courtroom moves on to a second case. This time, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, not once, but twice.
I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement and I followed it, so you have waived your right to appeal. You're also going to be handed a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.